Kita tak nak masalah. You pun
Betul.
tak nak bad record. Sebab
Betul.
sebab it represent yourself
Yes.
as agency of model kan.
Basically, my first langkah I akan advise klien. Okay, you dealing with this type. Always honest dengan you punya business. Itu my number one. Business you nak buat duit, you always honest. So I'm always honest dengan klien. I contact this girl, this is the attitude, apa-apa, you want to proceed. Kalau nak proceed, I can make it happen. Tapi you have to know, ini risiko dia. Which is one, dia akan lewat. Second, dia akan ada demands kat set. Kalau klien okay, then we proceed. Tapi usually most of my client dia dah tahu cara attitude. So dia kata, okay lah, you ada suggestion lain. Then I can just try to avoid.
Betul.
Tapi for me, first impression work with me is very important. First time, you maybe lah you tak nak, I am not very famous. Tapi you tahu yang I agency.
Okay.
When you work with someone, usually you do background search dengan orang ni. Contoh kalau you dapat offer daripada syarikat, mesti you tahu syarikat ni daripada mana. I rasa model pun patut ada that kind of attitude. Which is tak ada sekarang. Jangan tahu, okay, berapa payment?
Model tak boleh kosong sebenarnya.
Model is not about datang, make up, jalan, datang. No, you have to do the study. Itu yang membezakan. Bila klien datang on set, dia borak dengan models tu, at least model tu boleh interact. Oh, business you dah ni. So kita tahu model tu. I pernah jumpa yang very, very intelligent model. So, dia datang tu, dia dah beritahu dah, okay, you punya call time pukul 10, tapi I will arrive 9:30. I cakap awal je. Tak apa, it's my effort untuk datang awal dan whatever. You don't have to worry. Pukul 10, 9:50 I dah sharp dah sampai. Macam okay. Lepas tu over there pun klien sangat suka. Sampai time tu I tak silap dia ada dapat extra something lah. Disebabkan klien terlalu suka dia punya attitude. Dia yang buat klien impress tu sebab dia tahu background klien. So dia tanpa klien tu perkenalkan diri pun dia dah tahu siapa klien. So it's not very easy to jumpa model.
Yeah, because she take her job very seriously. And then she take herself very seriously.
Yes, correct.
Sebab bagi I, model yang macam mana nak sustain lama, dia akan make sure dia punya profile is good.
Tapi if you tanya me, I try, let's say that kind of attitude punya model, I try to avoid the work. Soalnya I can, based on client, I akan advise, okay, macam ni ada history jenis-jenis ni. You want atau you nak?